Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Worldling. I am excited to kick off a new series on Zapier integration. Throughout this series, we will explore how to integrate OpenAI ChatGPT with various platforms like WordPress, Shopify, and Google My Business. So please subscribe to my Worldling channel and hit the bell icon for more tech related videos. Now let's dive into our first tutorial where I will show how to fetch the titles of any blog and post them in my Google Sheet. So let's start the tutorial first. So now open the zapier.com in the browser. So my internet is very slow, so just wait 2 to 3 seconds. Now I have already account, so I'm going to log in, continue with our Google. So if you don't have an account, so first of all you have to click on sign up button. So this is the Zapier screen basically. Now I'm clicking on the Zapier main logo button. So this is the interface when we create Zap. Now I'm changing the name. Yeah, I title Zap. Now for the time I'm creating the name test Zap. So click on the triggers. The pop-up will show many options. I'm selecting RSS field, RSS by Zapier. So open the RSS by Zapier, select new items in feed. Click continue button, feed URL. For the timing, I will select SEM Rush feeds. So open the new tab and click on this URL. I will post this URL in description. So click on the continue button. After that, one more thing, select what triggers new feed. So I'm selecting the different URLs. Click on the continue. Now click on the test trigger. This is the last part of new items in feed in RSS by Zapier. Here is the result. Continue with the select record. I will click and continue with the selected record. Now I'm selecting the sheet, Google Sheet. First of all, I will create one sheet in Google Drive. Now click on the new tab button. Yeah, go to Google Drive and create any sheet for field for meta title, basically title, meta title or post title, anything which you want. So click on the Google Sheet and create a sheet. I will create a new sheet. The sheet name will be something. Now I'm making our test sheet. So yeah. So click on the title. First row column, I will create a blog title. Now second row is empty for the timing. Now I am selecting the event basically. I will select the create row in spreadsheet. Yeah, this one. Click on the continue button and connect your sheet with Zapier. Click on the connect a new account if you don't have. If you have, then click on the continue button and select the sheet. Now my Google Drive is connected with the Zapier. Click on the continue and select drive which you want to connect, my Google Drive, or now select on the sheet which you want to connect with the Zapier. So I will search test sheet. Click on the sheet 0. Basically, sheet 0 is the default sheet. Now, guess what do you want? And I just want a blog title. So click on the titles, continue, and here is the result. I'm testing the Zap. Yes, the process is almost complete. Here is the title. Thank you so much guys for watching this video. Please subscribe our channel World Link and press the bell icon for watching new videos for Zapier integration with WordPress or AI or WordPress or any other CMS. Thank you.